Hello everyone. Welcome once again to another Power BI related tutorial by Slidescope. In this part, we are learning about conditional formatting, that is providing different shapes like circle, triangle, diamond to compare values in different categories. So you can see we have departments here, finance, HR, IT. So these are departments of a company, and here we have gender. The dataset that we are using here is HR employee satisfaction analysis dataset. We have created a separate video to create this entire dashboard. That is another tutorial, and we have explained this dataset in great deal. So this is employees data where we have department, gender, age, different values related to employees. And here we have salary and bonus also. So just for a reference, what we have done here is we are seeing department wise and gender wise salary. So let's say let's focus on this. So this is salary of female employees in sales department. Okay, so one particular cell element represents this salary. We also have a total value, like what is the total salary for all female employees or all male employees and other gender employees. And here we have total, like in total how much salary is the company giving, and here for marketing, here for IT. So this way you can see different tabs here are representing this data. So we will learn how to create this chart, and what is the meaning of this diamond shape, this triangle shape, and what is the meaning of this circle here. Okay, so first of all, if you will go to this charts visual settings, format your visual settings, you can see cell elements where you can see a conditional formatting here. So the rule we are applying here, so format style is rule, and a red color diamond will be used if value equal to 0. So you can see if value is greater than equal to 0 and less than 33. Okay, this is percentage. So what this is sum of salary. Okay, we have the total value here. So if in any particular cell the value is less than 33% of the total, then it will show a diamond shape with red color. You can choose a shape accordingly. Okay, if the value is greater than equal to 33 and less than 67, then it's like medium, right? So salary range is medium, and we are selecting a triangle here, a golden color triangle. If value is above 67% and obviously less than 100%, then we are selecting a green circle representing high salary. So this is low, medium, and high. So for male employees in marketing, salary is low. That's what it shows, right? And the measure that we are using here is sum of salary. We can also select average salary. When it comes to average salary, you will be able to see in finance, it is medium. The only low is female in marketing. In terms of average salary, this is sum of salary. So whatever you are using here, you can show it like this. And to create something like this, let's do it one by one. So we will open a page where we will put a matrix chart. Let's increase its size. And in your matrix chart, what you have to do, in rows you will put department, and in columns you will put gender. So this is how it will create the matrix. So here in rows we will put department, and in column we will put gender. We can swap them also, like you can put it here and do it like this. So this is one and the same thing. Now here in values you will bring some numerical value. The numerical value that we have here is salary, and in values any numerical value like salary or bonus, anything can work, right? So let's put salary here, sum of salary. Then it will create something like this. It will create a matrix like this. In this matrix, we can do a lot of things. So just click on the matrix, go to format your visual. In format your visual, you can expand cell elements, and from here turn on the icons, and it will automatically do that. Now here in FX you will also see the logic. So if you want to provide a different type of logic, you can provide. For example, let's delete this row and say if it is 0 to 49, we will use icon like this. Okay, let's say we will use this icon, and if it is between 50 to 100%, then we will use an icon like this. Okay, so a red downwards arrow in circle and green upwards arrow. So this way you will be able to see that. And if you want to increase their value size, so you can go to values, and from here let's increase it to 25 or something which is properly, you know, adjustable according to width. In order to increase the size of columns in headers, what we can do, we have column headers, so we can increase their size, and we also have row headers, so we can increase row header size. So this is something that we can do, and this is a simple way to create a conditional formatting chart with different shapes like circle, diamonds to compare values. So you can try it with different categories. You can try it on different values. There is one more thing for this, total is on, right? So for example, here in your row headers, you will see in your row headers, you have, sorry, subtotals, you can see column subtotals are on. You can, you know, switch it on or off anytime. So this way you can, if you have less amount of space or you don't want to show that, then you can show it like this as well. Okay, if you want to apply some kind of border or shadow to it, you can go to the general setting effect. From here you can enable border and shadow. So this is what we are doing. If we want to analyze it for a different category, so instead of gender, let's say we have other values, we have work location also, like that's a categorical value. We have different cities here, so you can do make it. Number of rows will be number of distinct values in your category. For example, here in work location, we have New York, San Francisco, Chicago, etc. So number of values will be according to that. Okay, so this is one way of doing. And now what we can do, we can copy and paste it here, adjust it here, so that one can compare these two. So we can put it anywhere as per our chart available, as per the availability in our chart. So this was a simple tutorial to explain you use of this conditional formatting, and more related to conditional formatting and more detailed, you know, dashboards, tutorial, everything you can find in the same playlist. So please try them, and it will help you in understanding a lot of things. We can put filters here and seeing the chart like department filter. Now this is something extra that you can include here. And let's say just for HR department, for IT department. So you can, or you want to see for only three departments. So you can see it will work accordingly. Okay. So this was the second part of our HR analysis series, where we have done a simple conditional formatting. Thanks for watching the video. See you in more videos with more tutorials.